Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily change your name in Pinterest. So in order to begin, I'll open the Pinterest app. Once you're in the Pinterest app, what you'll have to do is go on to this saved option at the bottom. Now you can see three dots at the top. You have to click on it. Now click on the settings option. And now from here you have to click on public profile. Now you can click on your first name. Then you can easily change your name. I'll name I will name it as tech info, and in the last name also I can type in. So I'll type in this. So once that's done, I can click on this done. Now you can see the profile has been updated, and now the name has been successfully changed, as you can see right here. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.